I am Mehnaz Dar. I'm a PhD scholar from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. I'm a PhD scholar from the Department of Civil Engineering, and I'm working here in Innovandi under Core Project 5.
Yes. So I'm Thomas Machai from RWTH Aachen University. I'm there a professor for construction materials, leading the Institute of Building Materials Research, and I'm one of the PIs of the core projects 5, 6, 7.
Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Orozco. I work in an R&D team for Argos. And in Argos, I'm leading the project related to cement and cementitious materials, especially calcined clay. And I'm here. I'm industrial mentor for the project 5, 6, and 7.
So our project at Innovandi, that is Core Project CP5, CP6, and CP7, its main theme is calcined clay. Limestone calcined clay cement is one of the promising cement that has the ability to reduce down the carbon emissions. But for this cement to come to the market, there are some major obstacles that are present. So what we are trying in our project is to look at those research gaps and to fill those gaps so that this cement can come in the market. One of the research gap, for example, we are looking at developing the new test methods that we can use at the industrial scale so that we can have a well uniform and the optimized we can enable optimized production of the limestone calcined clay cement. We are also looking at if there is any change in the chemical composition and how we need to change different things so that we will be able to produce this cement.
Well, the thing is, this is a new material. Despite of he have been using it for a long time for a specific application, now what the industry is trying to do is to produce and apply these materials a massive way. So now we need new methods and alternative methods to control quality for the production and understanding better how this material behaves in the application. So all the research that the Innovandi is doing is helping us to understand and to make easier the application and the use of this material in the market. So it's very relevant for us.
So I would like to add one point here that whatever we are doing in our lab at a smaller level, it's a great platform where our experiments or whatever our research findings, we are directly applying those hypotheses and those conclusions directly at the industrial scale and verifying that what we have obtained in the laboratory, it's actually scalable. And our PhD work is just not limited to just getting a PhD degree, but it's actually been applied and we're able to solve a greater problem.
Well, as we all know, there's a lot of pressure currently on the industry to decarbonize, and people need to implement new solutions fast. And there's no other way than to collaborate together. And this is, I think, the main theme that we have in Innovandi. We're going to collaborate very fast and efficiently between the academics and the industry. There's no better way for the PhD students to get feedback directly from industry, to have a straight away impact on the industry. And this is why it's so great to have this team formed between academics and industry. And there's, as I said, it's really great and fruitful to exchange with each other and to act fast.
I think I agree with Thomas. It's like we are the right people in the right place. So we are asking questions, direct questions, and then giving direct answer for our question in order to make it faster, easier, and in good quality the development of this technology. I think we are in the good place for all academia and industry related to how to solve this problem of the emissions, and then with using calcined clay, how to can implement it in a safe way and faster.